Go ahead, Bridgie. Keep going. Look up. Good job. Keep going.
I have to watch the road.
Yep, you watch the road and keep pedaling. See if you can catch up to Gabby.
I can't because I don't want to go too fast.
Okay, keep going. You're going to stop if you don't go a little bit faster. Here comes the Wicked Witch of the West. Come on, Bridgie, keep going.
Careful. Now on this road.
Keep your feet on the pedal. Keep going. Pedal forward.
I was trying to get my
Good. There you go, Bridgie. Good job starting on your own.
I'm going up the hill.
You're doing a good job, honey. You having fun, Bridgie?
Now I'm learning. Now I'm going to be like Caillou.
Just like Caillou, honey. You coming, Gabby? Go, Gabby, go. I'm getting Gabby first. Go, Gabby. Gabby's taking on Bridget and she's past her. Keep going, Bridgie. Bridgie, you're doing really good.
As I keep doing this,
Don't look at me, you got to look at the road, remember, so you don't hit anything.
I'll get a 10 gold ribbon.
What's she saying?
I don't know. She said something about it getting hard.
Yeah.
Probably because she's going up the hill. It gets a little harder up there.
Well, and she's got little tires unlike Bridgie.
I know, it's easier when you have big wheels. You get more of a mechanical advantage with the bigger gear. It's alright though. She's actually powering up the hill.
Both of them are doing really well. Okay, turn around. Daddy's got to do Gabby though, because Gabby goes too fast.
Yeah, Mommy will watch Bridget. And Daddy will watch Gabby.
Bye, Gabby.